Here is a Patton heater. AccuTemp Plus. I highly doubt that has any accuracy to it whatsoever. This was a heater I picked up for a couple $. It looks like it has the potential to put out a good amount of heat, or it could very well be just another Chinese piece of junk. I don't know, but we're soon going to find out. Looks like it has one fan to power the two elements, and Spanish and English warnings on either side. It's got some crazy electronic controls, which I'm never fond of. Here's the information tag. The Holmes Group. I'm not sure if that's Holmes as in Holmes fans or not. I've heard there's some connection between Holmes and Patton in more recent times, but I don't know exactly what it is. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Now it looks like we have the number. It's very hard to read that screen. Looks like we have a number 64. I'm guessing this is an infrared receiver and this would have had a remote at some point with it. Hopefully we can still turn it on and off. It says OF on there, so I'm guessing that's off. Now it says high, as in like the greeting. That's low. This is AH. I'm not sure what AH is. AL. AH and AL, I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Leave it on high for now. This side is warm, this side is not. I don't know what this does. I guess this is temperature maybe? I don't see anything happening. Looks like this is perhaps defective in some means. I would imagine that both sides should be heating and they're just not. Let's see what AH does. Nope, that side's still cold. Let's try AL. Well, I thought OF was off, but clearly it's not, because that's the mode it's on right now. Let's put it back to high. Yeah, it would appear that this side does not work. Well, this actually does put out a good amount of heat, considering only half of it works. I think this is reading out the room temperature, I'm not really sure. Let's see if we get some oscillation here. That actually is probably useful, because these heaters, they don't move a whole lot of air, and so evenly heating a room is not something they often do very well. So it looks like we have high, low, AH, AL, other than registers, I don't know what those are, and OF. I think this would have had a remote, because clearly this It's supposed to have more functions than what we have here. So now it looks like I can adjust the numbers, so perhaps this would be a set to temperature. That was on AH, let's try AL. And change it again. On OF, don't seem to be able to do anything. On high, we can't do anything. Oh, I get it now. High, low, automatic high, automatic low. Alright. Well, we're going to have to open this up and see if we can find out why that's not working. Let's put it on off, or OF, and see if perhaps that's just a fan setting. That does appear to be a fan setting, as this is cooling off now. Well, we'll have to see if we can get this repaired. If I can get it repaired, perhaps it would be a useful heater to have. Oh, that's kind of cool. It cools itself and then it turns off. Okay, that alone is worth making this worth repairing. That is really cool. I've never seen a heater that does that. So perhaps this probably has a time delay. When it satisfies the temperature, it'll cut the element off and then let it cool and then cut the fan off as well. Well, we'll get this serviced, unless this is a button. No, it's not. We'll open this up and see what's going on in another video.